Do you know how pirates drink water on their journey? For months, pirates sailed across endless oceans, far away from land. But out there in the middle of the sea, one problem became deadly. Fresh water is nowhere to see. Even surrounded by water, pirates couldn't drink it. Seawater contains massive amounts of salt. Drinking it only made dehydration worse, slowly destroying their body. So pirates used a clever survival trick: distillation. They filled a large metal pot with seawater and heated it over fire. As the water boiled, steam rose into metal pipes. The salt stayed behind inside the pot. Then the steam cooled down, turning back into pure, fresh water. Drop by drop, the pirates created drinking water from the ocean itself, a simple trick of heat, steam, and condensation. Out on the open sea, it meant the difference between life and death. The ocean was dangerous, but knowledge kept pirates alive on the way to their journey.